Levi Secondhand with Rob and Mariel. Take 5,083. I can't. I'm not supposed to
Could
say
be a
it.
blanket.
I think it'll get better after this part.
Hi, I'm Rob, and this is Mariel. And we are fashion stylists and costume designers to a bunch of fun celebrities like Jennifer Lopez and Cara Delevingne.
We are here today to inspire you on how to take an old piece of clothing from your closet and make it feel new. So a really fun way of making an old piece of clothing feel new is by adding some sparkle. Rob and I have built our career around sparkly girls.
We did this once. You can actually use a Sharpie and color in the crystals to be any color you want. So this could actually be a rainbow jacket.
I don't wear a lot of sparkle, but I appreciate the piece and I think it looks beautiful and it's super fun to make.
A fun way to take something from home and personalize it is chain stitching, which we've been known to do a lot of. Remember we used to have Pharrell draw on all those jackets?
That was one of my favorite things that we used to do. He would draw on a jacket, we would take it, have it chain stitched over his drawing, and then it was just like these beautiful pieces of art. There was only one of a kind in the world.
And it's really easy too. You could take in a pair of jeans or a jacket to a local Levi's tailor shop and they can do it there. Making something feel new sometimes means fixing something really old.
I think I was here for some of these
my
wounds.
favorite jacket, but I've blown out both of the elbows, somehow the wrists, but it's time for a little patching. Will you hook me up?
Can I please help you out?
Yes. I have some jeans we can cut up to use
Perfect.
for
Yeah,
that.
all you need is a piece of denim to put underneath the hole. Then you pin it on top and stitch it up. So Rob and I have created these DIY kits if you really want to do it yourself at home. In our kit, we have these embroidery hoops amongst a couple other things. It's a really cute way to make something personal, which is super fun to do at home. The first 50 people who buy secondhand Levi's today will get our DIY kit with the purchase.
Did you make this one for me?
I made it for me, but I'll make you one.
Okay.